everybody, we are at CVS and I'm excited to share with you guys some deals that I have. So I'm going to go in the store, walk through the store with you, work on the deals. I found out it's easier doing it this way because then I know if I messed up or not, I can catch it ahead of time. So we're going to go inside, share with you guys deals, and then I will come back and share with you my haul. So let's go have fun doing some shopping. We're going to do the Skintimate shave cream. We're going to get two of them. They're $3.89 at buy one, get one 50% off. I have a 5 off of 20, I have a $1.50 off of 2, and then I have a $1 off digital coupon. And then we're going to get 2 of the Skintimate razors for $9.59. And I'm going to use a $4 off of 2 printable coupons because these expire today. Otherwise we do have inserts, and then we also have a digital also. So you're going to end up just paying $4.71 for the 4 of the items, but you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it a 28-cent moneymaker. The X deodorant, my store is out of the spray, but we have the regular ones for $8.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I'm going to use the buy one get one free insert coupon that we just received. You'll end up using a 4 off of 10 CRT that we have. The cashier should take off $8. You'll end up paying just $1.48. When you purchase the 2, you get a $3 extra care buck. But with Fetch Rewards, we actually get 500 points times 2 for buying 2 of the stick deodorants. And then you also get 1,500 points times 2 for buying 2 of the Axe deodorants. So that's $3 there. So you'll get $4 back with Fetch Rewards. This comes out to be a $5.51 moneymaker. The Suave is 2 for $6. We're going to use 2 of the $1 off insert coupons. You will pay $4, but you get a $2 extra care buck back, making them just $2 or $1 each. The Whole Blends or the Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $7. We do have, it's one or the other, but we do have a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. You're going to end up just paying $4, but then you'll get a $1 extra care buck back, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. We're going to get the Maybelline Fit Me Blush for $6.49. You're going to use 2 of the 4 off of, or you're going to use 1 of the 4 off of 2 insert coupons. You'll pay $8.98, but you will get a $5 extra care buck when you purchase the 2, and then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 times 2. So your final price just comes out to be $1.98 or 99 cents each. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now, I didn't get a lot of stuff at CVS. Number one, there wasn't a lot of great deals, or I didn't have the CRTs to go with it. There's just a ton of things, but that is okay. I'm happy with what I got. And I did have an 8 off of 40. So I'm like, okay, I just need to get a couple more things to get that. So I was just kind of looking at the toy aisle and everything was marked down 50% off, and I'm like, I'm just gonna go price check these. Now this was marked, I think, like $6.99. I don't even know what the regular price was for it, and the manager had the price checker in her hand, so she scanned this, and I got this Peppa Pig book for $2.25. So this is for Miss Charlotte. She'll be turning 3 years old next week, so I got that for her to use for my spend 40 get 8 off. And then I got this. I've been eyeing this up for months. This is Mrs. Pac-Man. I think it was like originally $24.99. This was bringing up $7.50. So I got this. We actually have a Wreck-It Ralph game of this, and my kids play, or mostly, yeah, both of my kids play with it all the time. But I'm like, Mrs. Pac-Man, you can't go wrong with this. So I think these are so adorable. For $7.50, I think that's a great deal. So I ended up getting that. Now, I ended up getting the Schick razors. Now, these were, what were these? These were $9.59 at buy one, get one free. And I had a printable $4 off coupon because it expired today. And then I had a digital, so I ended up using that. And then I ended up getting the Skintimate shaving cream. I had a $1 off digital coupon. I had a 5 off of 20 shave, and then I had a $1.50 off of 2 Skintimate shave cream. So you'd pay $4.71 for all 4 of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making this a 28-cent moneymaker, which I am excited for. I gotta empty my little stockpile bucket. This ended up becoming a great deal. My store is completely out of the spray, which is fine, so we got the deodorant. These were $8.99 at buy one get one. No, these are, sorry, Charlotte's yelling in the background. These were buy one get one 50% off also. And then I used that buy one get one free coupon, and the coupon did take off $8. I had a 4 off of 10 X CRT, so I ended up using that. You would pay $1.48 for this, but then you get a $3 extra care buck, and then you get 1,500 points for each of these through Fetch Rewards, so I got $3 back. And then you get 500 points for buying the stick, so I got 1,000 points for that, so it was $1 right there. This comes out to be a $5.51 moneymaker. Yes, yes, loving it, loving it, loving it. So that was one transaction that I did minus the 2 toys. I just did those separately because I was using the 4 off of 10 and then I had a 5 off of 20. So I ended up getting Persil. This was just $5.99 and I had a $2 off digital coupon. I just needed again to spend that 8 off of 40, so I decided to get this because my stockpile of Persil is running low. So I just got this. So it's not the greatest deal, but I just got it because I need it, and that's the brand that I use. I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7, and I used a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. Paid $4 for this. You get $1 back and an extra care buck, making this $3 or $1.50 each. So the Axe deodorant made up for it with that. I ended up getting the Maybelline Fit Me Blush. These were $6.49 and I used a 4 off of 2 insert coupon. I didn't have any instant, or I didn't have any other CRTs. I know some people said they had instant. I did not. I never got one. But paid $8.98 for this. But then you can submit, or you will receive a $5 extra care buck back, and then you can submit $1 back with Ibotta times 2, so I get $2 back with Ibotta, making this just $1.98. Now, one thing I do like about this is CVS is 1 rebate and Walgreens is 1 rebate. They're 2 different rebates. I was going to do a deal at Walgreens, but I was just in a hurry and I didn't have time to finish it at Walgreens. And then the last deal I got is this Suave shampoo and conditioner, 2 for $6. I used 2 $1 off insert coupons. You would pay $4 for it, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these just $2 or $1 each. So that is everything that I got. My total came to $3.31. I ended up using $32 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $16 back. So I took a little loss at that, but that is okay. I still have plenty left anyways. For Fetch Rewards, I received 4,070 points, which is $4.07. With Ibotta, I received $2 back. I ended up saving $126.71 for everything. I got 15 items at $1.13 each. My grand total just came out to be $13.24. So $13.24 for everything, considering I got the Persil, the Mrs. Pac-Man, and the book. I think I did pretty good, but I'm happy with everything that I have. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.